Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is another Amazon wig review. So I do have 2 units for you guys today, but different from what I usually do on Amazon wig reviews. I usually give you guys really affordable synthetic units that you can find on Amazon for the low. But today I'm bringing you 2 affordable human hair units. Yes, 2 affordable human hair units that are 100% human hair that you can wash, curl, style, and last for much longer than a synthetic wig, and they're still very affordable. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I figured, you know what, let me try to bring you guys something new and different. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The wigs did come via DHL, which is weird because I usually get wigs from Amazon, like from the post office, or just delivered by Amazon, but I guess DHL delivered these. So the units do come in these small little boxes. If you guys like the top that I'm rocking, this top is from Amazon and I'm loving it. The color, whoops, and I'm loving it. The color is so cute. And I do have my Amazon skirt. This is actually a dress, but I just folded it down and I'm wearing it as a skirt. So yeah, this top is so cute. And these earrings and this necklace is from Amazon as well. I'm Amazon down today, y'all. I can't even, it was a while when I got these, so I can't even remember. Oh, this is a Kinky straight. So I did get a Kinky straight bob with a bang. Right, I love getting bang units from Amazon because they're just so easy to, you know, just throw on and go. Headband units as well. This is a headband wig. I just love getting these type of wigs from Amazon because it just makes life easy. Now let's get into the cap construction of this unit. This is a full cap wig, okay? No lace at all. You have a comb on either side at the temples. You do have a comb at the top, which I never use. You have a comb in the back, and you also have adjustable straps, which is really convenient so that you can make it, you know, fit you a little bit better. I'm going to adjust the straps to the second tightest. You know, another thing I love about a good bang wig is that your braids don't have to be perfect underneath. Oh look, and you do have that little faux scalp at the top. I love that. That's great because it's going to give you, you know, that scalp type of look at the top. So I'm gonna take this headband wig off. My braids are not giving nothing right now, y'all. They are not giving. So what I'm gonna do is pop a wig cap on, and I rarely even wear these light color wig caps, but my braids are looking crazy and I just feel more secure with this on. I'm going to pop on my band so that my wig stays in place. I have another one of these coming. This is like the really cheap old school one, but I'm gonna get another one here soon of these bands. Sometimes I do feel like they be squeezing my head though, these bands. Uh-oh. Okay, do we have something going on here? Let me make sure I got it on straight. Okay, it fits. It definitely fits, and with the ear, with the adjustment there, it fits and it feels good. So let me grab a brush. These bangs are like doing the ultramost. Let me just pull this wig back some. You know, never cut the bangs on your wig if you can help it. Just pull your wig back. If you can help it, try not to cut the bangs. If you can pull them back, if you can pull the wig back, just try to adjust the wig to go further back. Now these bangs are a little bit outrageous long, so I probably will have to trim these a little bit because I can't keep pushing the wig back. The wig is all the way back here, and you know, it's just a little too far back at this point. So I probably will have to trim it, but I would say as much as possible, try not to cut your bangs. This wig is actually really, really cute. It's nice and thick. The texture is pretty and it's thick. I like this. I like it. Don't want to cut my lashes. Okay, I do not want to cut my lashes. So we're gonna leave it like that. All right, y'all, so this is the end result of this adorable kinky straight bob from Amazon. This bob is so cute, okay? And I did look back. It did take a little bit of time to get here. But y'all, totally worth the wait. Like, it wasn't no 3 weeks or nothing stupid like that. It was probably like 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half. It was probably closer to a week and a half, but y'all, I would wait it again because this wig is very, very cute. And you don't have to curl it the way I curled it. I curled this like it's my hair. This is how I curl my hair. And yeah, I'm like, you could push the bangs to the side. You could wear the bangs out. Like, it's just cute. I think I want to try like a little ponytail. That's really cute too. So I mean, you have options as to how you can wear this wig. But yeah, it's just a cute, affordable unit. And it's human hair, so it can be washed. Of course, I live in DC, so you're gonna hear the sirens going as soon as I get ready to record. So yeah, this is really cute. I definitely like it. Highly recommend this unit. I think this wig is under $100 on Amazon. I'm gonna confirm that when I look at my Amazon account, but yeah. So I definitely love this unit. Don't have a bad word to say about it. So if you wanna grab this unit, I will have it linked down below in the description box and in the comments as well. So you can check both areas if you wanna grab this unit. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram and on my TikTok. I've just recently started posting on my my TikTok, and I already made it to 1,000 followers. So I'm very, very excited about that. So if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you follow me. It's JessMoniqueThomas, and on my Instagram is JessMoniqueThomas, but I post a lot more on Just Fly Fine. So I'll put that in the description as well, so you can check those two out. Thank you so much for watching. I know I said this was gonna be a 2-for-1 video, but I don't think I'm going to do the other wig right now. So make sure you hit that follow, turn on your notifications to see the next wig. That's a human hair wig that's under $100 as well from Amazon. I will post that video next. See you guys in the next one. Peace.